How to change time zone on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android phone or tablet. Then, simply scroll down and search for System and click on System. After you've clicked on System, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Date and Time. After you've selected date and time in here, you'll find time zone. Click on time zone. After you've clicked on time zone in here, you'll find region. Click on region. Then you will find different regions. Select the region you want to make time zone of. After you've selected the region, your time zone will change. And this is how to change time zone on Android phone or tablet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.